Hey, great rising elders. It's Doc Hodge. I make the medicinal cannabis recommendations for Georgia. We've been legal since 2015, and I have an important message for you. You guys have sacrificed a lot for us, so I gotta look out. I gotta get back. In 5 months, it's about to be flu season. Yeah, October 1st. Flu season came quick, and this pandemic is still here. What Corona has showed me as a physician is it really exposed these healthcare disparities. This cannabis oil can help you survive this flu season, plus this Covid-19 situation we're in for maybe 2 years. It's after 9 a.m. You probably swallowed 3 different blood pressure medications. You're on something for your cholesterol, something for your LDL, something for your triglycerides. That's 6 medications. You're taking gabapentin or Lyrica for that sugar that got into your foot, burning all day. 7, 8, that's 8 medications. You're taking something for your mood, you're unmotivated, you've been sad. It's okay, because you're not getting dopamine. This is the time, the sun, to charge your cells up. That's natural vitamin D. It also boosts your immune system. This stuff will keep you alive during the winter, during the flu season, because you know the sun goes away. Back to the medication you're on. You're taking something for sleep. You're taking a stool softener. Most of y'all might be on your 2nd cataract surgery, so you're taking these eye drops for glaucoma and cataracts. That's maybe 14, 15. You got arthritis, taking Tylenol, maybe Percocet. That's 17. You see where we're going? See what your kidneys got to do? You know what dialysis is? You know you don't get off dialysis? This cannabis oil can eliminate all 17, 18 medications. It's also preventative. So, again, I implore you to log into the Zoom meeting. I'm going to teach you about cannabis, how you take it. I'm not saying to smoke it. This is oil. This is not a shot. You don't need your teeth if you do have them. If you have dentures, you can leave them on, leave them out. You just under your tongue. There's a plexus of arteries and veins. It's going to absorb. It's going to do the work. You don't even have to you don't got to chew or do anything. I'm not saying smoke it. It's oil only. With a card, you're allowed to carry 20 ounces of this. It's perfectly legal. So what you can start doing now, before you see me, charge your cells up, get some sun, start exercising. A lot of y'all drinking more soda than the kids. Y'all ought to be ashamed of yourself. So the last part is getting on some cannabis oil. You already know prayer is medicine. You've been doing that. I just want to see you alive. I want to see you survive this flu season. Might not be enough ventilators for y'all. All right? Bless. Doc Hodge. I'll put the info in the post.